Want to start your day with a healthy and delicious breakfast? How about heart and brain-healthy waffles? These nutritious delights are not just tasty, but also packed with benefits that keep your heart and brain in top form. Come along and discover the secrets to a nutritious start to your day. First things first, gather all the ingredients needed. You'll need whole wheat flour, full of fiber for a healthy heart, oats for energy, flax seeds for brain health, eggs for protein, milk for calcium, and honey for a touch of natural sweetness. Got everything? Great. Now on to the next step. Now it's time for some mixing action. Start with the dry ingredients: flour, oats, baking powder, a pinch of salt, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Stir them together until they're well blended. Then add the wet ingredients: a dollop of honey, a splash of almond milk, and 2 whisked eggs. Blend everything together until you achieve a smooth, creamy batter. Remember, a smooth batter is crucial for a fluffy and delicious waffle. Perfect! You've got your healthy waffle batter ready. With the batter ready, we're all set to cook some delicious waffles. Start by preheating your waffle iron. Once it's hot, ladle in just the right amount of batter, not too much or it'll overflow. Close the lid and let the magic happen. It usually takes about 4 to 5 minutes for the waffles to turn golden brown. When they're done, carefully lift them out. They'll be hot. Top them with your favorite healthy toppings, and there you have it. Voila! Your heart and brain healthy waffles are ready. Let's quickly recap the steps to make these delicious heart and brain healthy waffles. First, we gathered our wholesome ingredients. Then, we mixed them up into a smooth batter. Lastly, we cooked our waffles to golden perfection. Simple, isn't it? And remember, every bite is a step towards a healthier heart and brain. Thank you for joining us on this healthy culinary journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such recipes. Stay healthy and stay happy.